Are you looking to transform your gazebo into a captivating nighttime haven? Wondering how to decorate your gazebo with lights? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through various creative lighting ideas that will turn your gazebo into a mesmerizing oasis. Let's get started. String lights. First up, we have the enchanting string lights. These budget-friendly lights can infuse a touch of magic into your gazebo. When selecting string lights, be sure to choose ones that can withstand various weather conditions. Unique lanterns. Next, let's explore the timeless elegance of lanterns. Lanterns not only add a sense of wonder but also create a dreamy ambience. Match the style of your gazebo and choose lanterns made from materials like wood, metal, glass, or paper. Uplighting drama. For a dramatic effect, consider uplighting. These lights add depth and highlight architectural features. Place uplights around the base of your gazebo to bring out intricate textures and patterns. Underneath illumination. Experience a cutting-edge lighting technique with underneath illumination. This technique casts a soft yet powerful mood, highlighting the structure's lines and design. The gentle radiance draws attention and adds sophistication to your gazebo. Using light curtains. Elevate the allure of your gazebo by adding light curtains. These LED strands or string lights create a waterfall of light, delivering a magical feel. Hang the curtains securely to maintain the captivating cascading effect. Ceiling lights. To enhance your gazebo's aesthetics, explore the world of ceiling lights. From chandeliers to flush mount fixtures, these lights offer elegance and practicality. Smart lighting systems provide personalized control for the perfect ambience. Globe lights. Globe lights, also known as globe bulbs, are a charming choice for decorating. Emitting a warm glow, they're perfect for adding a romantic touch. Use them to define lines, create a playful twist, or hang them for a mesmerizing kinetic element. Lighting holds the key to transforming your gazebo into a luminous sanctuary. From string lights to unique lanterns, uplighting drama to light curtains, you now have a palette of ideas to choose from. Embrace the magic of lights and turn your gazebo into a haven of beauty and serenity. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more inspiring tips and ideas. Until next time, stay enchanted.